Tonight we're going to be staying at Desert Diamond Distillery.
Yeah, definitely a theme here. We've been at multiple breweries, multiple distilleries. I don't know, what does that say about us? So I guess it's Harvest Host again tonight?
Yes, it's kind of been a theme.
Yeah, it's definitely a theme on our trip from Eastern Ontario to the U.S. Southwest.
Tonight we're going to be staying at Desert Diamond Distillery in Kingman, Arizona.
And what do they make?
They apparently make award-winning rum and whiskeys. And they do have a vodka as well.
Cool.
So, yeah, should be interesting.
Well, come and check it out with us.
So I would say go in the far entrance.
Arriving at Desert Diamond Distillery on the left.
Let's just go into the back. So it looks like we have the back parking lot. The other people that were right behind us coming in here have the front parking lot. Anyway, tons of space, easy to get in and out.
Yeah.
And we have chickens.
They do dinners inside the train cars.
Oh yeah.
At least one of them. There was another one they were going to try and get going. So I guess that's the one up there that they,
Oh yeah.
like they
Yeah,
have
that's-
lunch, but they'll
Looks
do...
like a classic old car, right?
Yeah,
They're open till 5, he said.
yeah.
What are you gonna do, a flight?
Yeah, I was thinking if I did one and you did another,
Oh, that's a good idea.
that's a good idea.
One tasting flight.
2 tastings, so
One of
I'm going to
each.
do one, he's going to do another, and
We'll compare.
So what happens if you want to share them though? You can. The quarter ounce course is about that much in a shot glass. 1 page is equivalent to drinking 1 glass of beer or 1 glass of wine. If you're going to share them, I wouldn't recommend more than 3 people, more than 2 people in the future if you bring other people. But if you start and you want to share them both together, you start here, this one overlaps here, come down to here, and then come back to here.
Okay.
We pour them individually and explain them.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep,
that makes
we'll do
sense.
that. Where do you want to sit?
Anyway, like.
I'll probably do a tour for both groups if you're interested.
So that's where we stayed last night. Nice big yard here. Entryway there. So yeah, plenty of space for big rigs. And their product is quite good as well. So yeah, really happy with this place. This is the front lot, and it's also quite spacious. The other people that were staying here last night were just parked over in that area there. They have these train cars here that they're converting into usable space. One of them, apparently you can dine in. Looks like they have their kitchen in one of them. And this caboose here, they're trying to renovate apparently. So there you have it, Desert Diamond Distillery, Harvest Host location in Kingman, Arizona. Really enjoyed this place.